Hey, thanks for joining my channel again. This is just another quick video, like an unboxing and an install video of this cool little thing I got off Amazon. I've been looking to do this for a while, even in my last Jeep. As you're a Jeep owner, because you're watching this, you realize that there's nowhere to put your left foot. Like in a lot of vehicles I've had, like my wife's minivan or even my Dodge Ram, there was like a dead man's pedal, right? It's just off to the left. And I'm like 6'2", 6'3". I had to stretch my legs out. And in this new JT and JL, I'm sure is the same. You have a bit more room for your feet. You can like, kind of push them out further, but there's nowhere to actually put that foot. So I saw something on Amazon that I wanted. It's just a brown box. But in this brown box, there is a dead man's pedal. So I'm gonna open it up, I'm gonna show you what it looks like from Amazon. It's like 20 bucks, I think, or something like that. And then we'll install it and see if it's any good. Thanks. Okay, so here's the box. Let's put it up. Hardware, okay, that's a plus. Some sort of bracket. That's it. There's the different, oh, these are probably instructions. Whoa, that's some pretty intense instructions. Looks like it should be pretty easy to do. The reason why I liked it too, not just because of the price, but like, come on. It's got like the Jeep. It's got the grill and the lights, the 7 slots. Like, come on, that's awesome. All right. Without further ado, we will get started. All right, so let's put this thing together. Let's figure out how we do this together. So, here's you all the hardware and the LED it looks like you need. Oh, shit, I've already lost a bolt. Bolts recovered. Okay. Moving right along. Okay. Let's back to our trusty instructions here. And it doesn't really tell you how to put this part together. But what I do see from the picture is we got this like that. And then this, the heck, this goes up here somewhere. Okay. So this is gonna, looks like there's gonna be some playing around with this thing to see exactly where I want it, because I'm taller, so I kind of want it further away. So I have to figure out how I can set this up so this thing, so that goes off that main screw. So probably setting it up over here would be the furthest away, right? Right? I'm hoping, maybe, I don't know. We'll figure that out. All right, so you get the bolt, put that inside this way, just so, because you want it flush on the back side. If so I had it like that, that's gonna stick way too far out into the actual chassis of the Jeep. And there's not too much room back there. So let's just change these bolts. So they're going beside that. All right. There we go. I'll drop the nut on top of that. Get the Allen key on the back here. Get the okay, so we want to get this. We want to have this as far over as possible, to make life easier on us inside the cab. So again, Allen key on. Okay, we're almost tightened up here. Okay, I want that all the way down. Oh. Remember to hold that on again when you're doing this. Okay. Alright, it's pretty. Just try to make this level on the back side here so you can see your level. Alright. It's hard to film this and make sure that you can see this. Alright. Okay, there we go. Nice and taut, nice and level. And now we got to put the other part of the dead man's pedal down over here. Okay, so now that I've got this on, I couldn't decide where to put these as to the measurement. I went on the truck, I couldn't see, so you know what? How about like the one down from the very top? God, you gotta have like baby fingers to do this, which I just clearly don't. Okay. Okay, and again, second from the top. Oh, you can't see this part, but oh my God, so hard to get in. They could have made this part a lot easier.
A few minutes later.
There we go. Got the tight start. There we are. Alrighty. Okay, so these nuts right back here, these nuts right back here are going to be an 8 mil. So let's see if we can let's get these started here. And I'll take it back in the Jeep to really figure out where it should be as far as like how to tighten it. Because I might have to, turn it a bit more. That's okay, we can do it in the truck. All right, there we go. So you can see that. There we go. All right, so it's gonna be hanging. I'm out of frame over here, but this is what it's gonna kind of sit like that. All right, let's check it out. Let's try it out. There's the 13mm bolt, which I'm gonna take out right there in the center of your screen. We'll take that out, and then we'll put the dead man's pedal hook on that in the bracket. One thing to add though when you're doing this is you're gonna need a deep 13mm socket just to get to it. It's got a lot of bolt on there. Okay, so let's throw this sucker on there. Okay. Got the 13mm bolt here. Throw it on by hand. Don't want to strip that, of course. Okay. We'll use our little wrench here. I can get this sucker in here or not. Kind of. Yep, there we go. That's not going anywhere. All right. All right, so that's the aftermath. Sorry about the darkness over there. But there you go. Now we gotta try it out.